Hello, welcome, croeso. Here at North Wales Police, we're always thinking of better and more efficient ways that we can be working. This has become really important in these challenging times that we currently face in the COVID-19 pandemic. I want to talk to you about how we can work with you in our communities and local businesses to send us important evidence. We are transitioning our processes from officers travelling to collect digital evidence on a disk or a USB to being able to do all of this online. This means that our officers will be able to review your vital evidence faster, as well as reducing any risks around disk handling, officers visiting premises unnecessarily, and giving criminal justice partners and us added security. We will be able to share this online evidence with our partners such as the CPS and in turn the courts, allowing them to also review it sooner and with less risk. On using this so far, we've been able to make more informed charging decisions. Our officers are now using our digital evidence management system, which is called NICE Investigate. We have trained staff in how to use this and will be able to support you in uploading any of your evidence. The evidence that this will specifically relate to is, for example, CCTV, dashcam footage and mobile phone footage. In reality, it's most things that have a moving digital image. The feedback from officers is really positive, and they see this change being here for good and really helping them to become more effective in what they do. What we ask for now is for your help. There is a lot that our communities and local businesses can do to support this transition and help us move forward as a force to serve you better. If you report an incident and are asked to send your evidence digitally, this is going to be our standard business practice in the coming weeks. The officer may ask you for your email address or phone number, of which they will send you a secure link to NICE Investigate, where you can upload your evidence. You will be able to log in, upload video captured on your mobile phone, CCTV or door camera, etc. You simply click the link and attach the relevant footage. This then goes back to the officer who can review it straight away. If you're asked to do this, all we ask is that you try your best to comply, even if it means being a little bit more creative. For example, recording your CCTV evidence on a mobile phone in order to send the link via that way. If you are a business owner or a CCTV holder, it will be incredibly helpful if you could register your cameras for us. Firstly, this makes it even easier for us to request your footage from any incident that you may report. Secondly, this will help us to pick up footage that you may have captured in an incident but you not be aware of. For example, if there was a theft in a shop a few doors down from your premises, your camera may have picked up the perpetrator. With us knowing where your cameras are located, this could help an investigation identify the said perpetrator. Registering your business is easy, and our NICE administration team can assist with this process. All of this information is available on our website. Please do take the time to visit this and register if you can. Thank you again for your community spirit and support in this challenging time. The changes we are making will be here to stay, and your support will make a huge difference in the new way we work, landing it successfully together. Please help us help you. Thank you, diolch.